A busy office, a long and tiring day, and an important question. What kind of coffee does Emma like to drink? Listen carefully. The answer is hidden somewhere in today's conversation. Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Learn English with Daniel. I'm Daniel, and I'm here to help you learn English the easy way, through slow, simple, and natural conversations. In today's video, you'll watch Emma and Tom, two co-workers. They've had a long day at the office and really need a relaxing break, so they decide to go to a cafe together. But first, they need to find a cafe. Is there one nearby? And will Tom like it? When they get there, they'll look over the menu together. There are so many options: hot coffee, iced coffee, lattes, cappuccinos, and much more. What will they order? And will they be able to agree on the same drink? You'll also hear them talking about the food: cookies, cake, muffins, and sandwiches. Everything looks so delicious. What will they order? What will they talk about? Let's find out together. Don't worry. Tom and Emma will speak slowly and clearly, so you can easily follow along. Relax, grab your tea or coffee, and enjoy the story. But before we begin, here's today's question. What kind of coffee does Emma like to drink? Listen carefully. The answer is somewhere in the conversation. When you find it, write it in the comments. Even a single word is perfect. By writing your answer in English, you can improve your English skills even more effectively. All right, are you ready? Let's get started.
Oh, I'm so tired today.
Yeah, you look really tired, Tom. Are you okay?
Yeah, I am fine. But I just need a break. I really need a break.
Me too. I've been working all day without a break. I need a break too.
It's been a long day. Would you like to get something to drink?
Something to drink? Yes, that sounds really good.
What would you like to drink?
I'm thinking about it. What about you?
I'd like some coffee. I really need some coffee right now. Coffee gives me energy?
Yeah, I need some energy too. Then let's go to a cafe and have some coffee.
A cafe? That's a great idea. Do you know of a good cafe nearby?
Yes? There's a nice cafe right around the corner. It's very close.
Oh, really? I didn't know there was a cafe near our office.
Yes, it opened last month. I go there sometimes. It's really nice. I think you'll love it.
That sounds perfect. Let's go.
Okay, just give me a minute. Let me finish this email first.
Sure, take your time. I'll just grab my bag and jacket.
I think a nice cup of coffee would make everything better.
That's so true.
Okay, done. I'm ready. Let's go get some coffee.
Great. I'm so excited. I love going to cafes. All right, let's go. Which way is the cafe?
This way. Follow me. It's not far at all.
Great. After being cooped up inside all day, the fresh air really feels good.
I know. It's nice to get out for a bit.
How long will it take to walk there?
Just 2 or 3 minutes. It's very close.
Great. I can already feel myself relaxing.
Me too. A short walk followed by a nice cup of coffee. A perfect break.
I totally agree. Let's enjoy the walk.
Look at that street. It's really crowded today.
Yeah, there are a lot of people out and about. It looks like everyone could use a break.
Oh, that's funny. Maybe they've all had a long workday like us.
Probably. Oh, is that a cafe, that building over there?
Yes, that's it. We're almost there.
Oh, great. I can even smell the coffee from here.
Here we are. This is the cafe.
Oh, this cafe looks really nice from the outside.
It's even nicer inside. Let's go in.
Wow, it's even nicer inside. This place is so cozy and warm.
It smells like coffee. Can you smell it? I love that smell.
Yeah, it smells great in here. I love the smell of fresh coffee. Look at this place. It's so nice.
Yeah, the tables are really stylish, and the chairs look comfortable.
Look at that counter. It's pretty big and spotless.
I can see all the drinks behind it. And look, they have cakes and sandwiches too. Everything looks so good.
It really does. This cafe is very popular. There are a lot of people here today.
I totally understand why. The music is nice too. It's very relaxing.
This is a perfect place to take a break. Let's find a table.
How about this table? The one by the window?
Oh, this is perfect. I love sitting by the window. Let's sit here.
Great. Let's sit down.
These chairs are really comfortable, and the table is spotless.
Yes, everything here is so clean. I already love this cafe.
You're doing great so far. By the way, did you notice the word cozy? Tom used that word when they walked into the cafe. Cozy means comfortable, warm, and relaxing. It's the perfect word for a cafe, isn't it? And here's a quick grammar note. Tom said, it's even nicer inside. We used the word even to make the comparison stronger. Even nicer, even better, even bigger. Try to keep that in mind. Okay, the answer to today's question is coming up soon. What happens next is really interesting. All right, let's keep going.
Okay, where's the menu? We need to look at the menu.
Look, here it is. The menu is on the table.
Oh, great. Let's look at the menu together. What would you like to drink?
Let me think. There are so many drinks on the menu.
Yeah, there are a lot of drinks. Coffee, of course, and tea too.
There's also cappuccino, latte, and espresso. So many options.
Oh, a latte sounds good. What's the difference between a latte and a cappuccino? Do you know?
A latte has more milk. A cappuccino has more foam on top.
I see. Foam come from milk?
Yes, it is made by heating the milk with a steam wand and injecting air into it.
Wow, your explanation on this topic really impressed me. That's really interesting. I've always just ordered black coffee. I have no idea how the other drinks are made.
Most people don't think about it. But once you learn, you start noticing it everywhere.
You really know a lot about coffee, Emma. I'm impressed.
I love coffee. When you love something, you naturally pick it up easily.
That's so true. Okay, you've convinced me. And look, they have iced tea and iced coffee too.
Oh, great. Do you want a hot drink or an iced drink?
I want a hot drink. I always drink hot coffee. I really love hot coffee.
Hot coffee is nice, but I feel like having something cold today. It's a bit warm outside, an iced latte would be perfect.
Makes sense. So you want an iced latte?
Yes, I like and I want to order a iced latte. An iced latte with a little milk and a little sugar. Perfect for today.
A little sugar, a little milk. Actually, that sounds really nice.
It's perfect for a hot day like today. Cold, smooth, and slightly sweet. Not too strong, not too bitter.
Hmm. Maybe one day I should try an iced drink too.
You should. Iced coffee is really refreshing on hot days.
But today I really want something hot. After a long day at the office, a hot coffee is exactly what I need.
I totally get it. Hot coffee is comforting. It makes you feel better right away.
Exactly. It's like comfort in a cup.
Oh, I love that. It's like comfort in a cup. That's a perfect way to describe it.
All right. We both know what we want. You get your iced latte and I'll have my hot black coffee.
A perfect combination. Do you want milk or sugar in your coffee?
No thanks. I don't want milk. I don't want sugar either. I like black coffee. Just coffee, nothing else.
Wow, really? Black coffee is really strong. I can't drink black coffee.
I know it's strong, but I like the strong taste.
I like a lot of milk and a little sugar. Black coffee is too strong for me.
That's okay. Everyone is different. Some people like strong coffee, some like sweet coffee.
That's true. Okay, you'll have hot black coffee, and I'll have an iced latte with milk and a little sugar.
Perfect.
Should we take a look at the food too? I'm a little hungry.
Yeah, let's check out the menu. I'm hungry too. What kinds of food do they have?
Let's see. There are cookies, cake, muffins, and sandwiches.
So many options. Everything looks so good.
Oh, look at that cake. It really looks delicious. And it looks fresh and sweet too.
I'm really hungry, so I need something big. I'll get a sandwich. The bread looks really fresh. What about you?
I think I'll have the cake.
Good choice. Okay, I'll go to the counter and order for both of us.
Are you sure? Thanks, Tom. That's so kind.
No problem. I'll be right back.
Hello, welcome to our cafe. What can I get for you today?
Hello, can I have a medium iced latte, please? A little milk and a little sugar.
Sure, a medium iced latte with a little milk and sugar. Anything else?
Yes, and a medium hot coffee, please. Black. No sugar, no milk.
Would you like some food?
Yes, please, a slice of cake and a sandwich.
Great choice. So, one iced latte, one black coffee, one sandwich, and a slice of cake. To eat here or to go?
Here, please. We're sitting at the table by the window.
Perfect. That'll be $12.50.
Here you go. Thank you very much.
Thank you. We'll bring everything to your table in a few minutes. Enjoy your meal.
Oh, look, here comes our food and drinks.
Yeah, fast service. I'm so hungry. I can't wait to eat.
Me too, but I want to try the coffee first. I'll try my iced latte. Oh, it's so cold and smooth. Perfect for today. A little sweet, a little milky.
I'm glad. My coffee is really hot and smells amazing. Strong, just the way I like it.
I'll try my cake now. This cake is incredibly delicious. It's so soft and sweet. How's your sandwich?
It's so fresh. The bread is soft and everything tastes great. Would you like to try some?
Yes, please. You're right. It's really delicious. You should try my cake too.
This cake is incredible. It's so sweet and so good. Everything here is so delicious.
I agree. The food, the drinks, the atmosphere, everything is perfect. I feel so much better now.
Me too. This was really a great idea. I love our coffee break. You know, Emma, I really needed this today. I was so tired at the office.
Me too. I'm so glad we came here.
This coffee is delicious, and this cake is amazing.
I know. Everything here is really delicious.
I feel so much better now. A coffee break is really important.
Yes, you feel better when you take a break, and you work much better.
That's true. I never take a break at the office. I just work and work.
That's not good at all, Tom. Everyone needs a break.
You're right. I'll take breaks more often from now on.
Great. Even just 10 minutes can help a lot.
Just 10 minutes? Really?
Yes. A short break gives your brain time to rest. Then you can focus better.
That makes sense. Just like when your phone's battery's running low, you need to charge it.
Yes, exactly. We need to recharge too. This cafe is great for longer breaks.
I love it here. This is my new charging station.
Me too. I come here when I'm feeling tired or stressed.
Do you come here alone?
Sometimes alone, sometimes with friends. Being alone is nice too. It's quiet and relaxing.
I get it. Sometimes you just need a little quiet.
Yes, just me and my coffee. No emails, no meetings, no phone calls.
That sounds great. I want to do that too.
You should. It'll really do you good.
Hey, Emma, can I tell you something?
Sure, what is it?
I walk down the street every day, but I've never noticed this cafe until today.
Really? It's been open for a month.
I know you mentioned it at the office, but I'm always in a hurry. I never look around.
That happens to a lot of people. We're always busy. We never slow down.
But I slowed down today, and I'm really glad I did.
Me too, Tom. It was a really good idea today.
Thanks for bringing me here, Emma. I really mean it.
Of course, that's what friends are for. Now finish your coffee. It's getting cold.
Yeah, you're right. I'll drink it right away.
Don't rush. Enjoy it. We're not in a hurry right now.
You're right. No rush. Just coffee and a nice chat.
Perfect. That's exactly what a coffee break should be like. Let's come back soon. How about next week?
Next week sounds great. Next time I want to try a cappuccino, the one with more foam, right?
Right. You're a quick learner. I want to try an espresso next time too. Espresso is really strong and the serving is very small.
That'll probably be too strong for you. I'd recommend an Americano instead.
An Americano? What exactly is that?
It's espresso with hot water added. It's strong, but milder than espresso.
Oh, that sounds interesting. Maybe I'll try that too.
When we come next week, we can try the cookies and cakes too.
Yes. There was tea on the menu too. Let's try everything next time.
I love that. Yeah, let's come here often and try new things. They have such a diverse menu here.
I agree. I'm already looking forward to next week.
Me too. Should we get back to work?
Yes, we need to work. But this break was really nice.
It really was. I feel so much better now. I'm ready to get back to work.
Me too. Let's go.
How did it go? I hope you enjoyed today's conversation and learned some new English words and phrases. Before we wrap up, let's quickly review some key words from today's story. The first word is foam. Foam is the soft white bubbles on top of your coffee. Emma explained that a cappuccino has more foam on top and how that foam is made. The second word is break. A break means taking a short break from work to rest. Emma and Tom really needed a break during a long workday. The third word is order. When you place an order, you're asking for something at a cafe or restaurant. Tom went to the counter to order both a drink and some food. Try using these words today, even in your own language. Think about them. Now, let's get back to our question. What kind of coffee does Emma like to drink? Did you figure it out? Write your answers in the comments. I'll check them. And tell me, what's your favorite coffee? I'd love to know. If this video helped you, please hit the like button. It really helps this channel grow. And if you want more slow and easy English conversations like this, subscribe to the Learn English with Daniel channel and turn on notifications. That way, you'll get notified when new lessons are posted. I'll be back here often with a new story for you.